Martin.
If you don't like blood, my apologies for the beginning of the video.
Come here, Martin. Hey, 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 hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. I don't like how much that's bleeding. Did you get that stick out of there? Or not?
Don't worry, Marty is doing just fine, sleeping on the couch next to me right now. Just a stick up the nose. I think the stick is now out, and I don't think it would matter if both of his legs were broken. He would continue to hunt. So we'll zoom forward a little bit here and get into some birds. Alright, so probably a 40-mile-an-hour wind at our back. Not good conditions for the dogs to smell any birds, but you will see Larry get pretty birdie before this one gets up.
Come here, Marty.
Alright, so
Marty,
I tried
come,
to let
come,
Larry
come.
bring this one back on his own. I held Marty,
here, Marty,
and
come.
we waited and waited,
Bring him
but
here,
after
Cherry.
a while
Come
I
here,
couldn't
Marty.
take it anymore, and I
Come
let
here.
Marty go and bring the bird
here.
back. But you'll see what happens.
Bring him here, Larry. Come on, Larry. Bring him here. Come, come, come. Come on, Larry. Bring him here. Where's that bird? Hey. Bring him here. No. Find a bird. Find a bird. Where is he? Find that bird. Good boy. Good boy. Bring him here. Good boy. Bring him here. Come, 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 come. Bring him here. Come on, Larry. Bring him here. Bring him here. Come, 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 come. Find a bird. Martin, whoa. Marty, this way. This way. Bring him here, Larry. Good boy, bring him here. Good boy. Good boy, bring him here. Good boy, bring him here. That's so good. Yeah, you did bring him. You wanted to get a little eatage first. Good boys. Martin, come.
Alright, so this was the day before, but we had the same hurricane-style winds. We were driving down the road and this rooster jumped up and flew into a little section, and since Marty's feet are a little bit beat up and we're trying to rest him, I thought it would be a good opportunity to get him out of the car and walk him right to a rooster. And considering how dry it was and how windy it was, this is about the best point you're going to get out of Marty.
Whoa. Good boy, Martin. Bring him here. That's what you like, huh? Bring him here to me. Thank you. Come on. Come on, bring him here. Bring him here. Thank you, and give. Oh, I got him. Thank you. That was good. Give, 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 give. Thank you. That was fun, huh? And you pointed. You pointed for you. That's how you point. Good job, buddy.
All right, last bird here. This was me and Larry. Saw one on the side of the road. He jumped up and flew in, and we couldn't find him. So we kind of gave up. We were walking out, wind was at our back, and you'll see what happens.
Bring him here, Larry. Come, come, come. Come here, buddy. Bring him here. Come on, Larry. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Bring it here. Good boy. Come, come, come. Good boy. Come, come, come. Good boy. Come on. Come here. Come here. Bring him here. Good boy, Larry. Yeah. Come on. Come, come, come. That's how you bring a rooster back. Come here. Come on. Come. Good boy. Come. Come here. Bring him here. Come on. Hey, come here. Come, come, come. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Bring it here. Come, come, come. That is an improvement. That's an improvement. We didn't smell him, but who gives a damn?
Alright, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel. My apologies if you don't like me cheerleading for Larry every time I shoot a bird, but we're working on retrieving and we're getting better. So, a couple more hunts in Wisconsin and we'll be off to the lovely state of South Dakota. Thanks for watching.